Hello.
Hi, welcome to the refill station. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to refill my shampoo bottle.
You want to refill your shampoo bottle?
Yes, we can do that here.
I not refill shampoo before.
You have not refilled shampoo before?
No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
What kind of shampoo you have?
We have lavender, mint, and unscented shampoo.
Is it good for all hair?
Yes, it is gentle and good for all hair types.
How much does it cost?
It is $4 for one bottle.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling helps the planet. Come back anytime.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the open mic night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to sing my first song.
You want to sing your first song?
That's wonderful. Have you sung on stage before? I not sing on stage before. You have not sung on stage before?
No problem. Everyone is welcome here.
Do I need to bring music?
You can bring your own music or sing with our band.
How long can I sing?
You can sing one song, about 3 minutes.
I am a little nervous.
That's okay. Many people feel nervous the first time.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try singing.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your moment on stage.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the science lab. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to do a simple experiment.
You want to do a simple experiment?
That's great. What do you like?
I not do science experiment before.
You have not done a science experiment before?
No problem. I can show you an easy one.
What is a good experiment for beginners?
You can make a volcano with baking soda and vinegar.
What I need for this?
You need a small bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and food color.
How long it take?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try science.
That's wonderful. Science is fun to learn.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Upcycling Art Show. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy recycled art.
You want to buy recycled art?
That's wonderful. We have many pieces here.
I not buy recycled art before.
You have not bought recycled art before?
No problem. It is made from old things.
What kind of things you use?
We use metal, glass, and plastic from old items.
Is it strong?
Yes, it is strong and beautiful.
How much is this sculpture?
That sculpture is $20.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy art that helps the earth.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new art piece.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to movie night. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can bring my own chair.
You want to know if you can bring your own chair?
Yes, you can bring any chair you like.
I not bring chair last time.
You did not bring a chair last time?
That's okay. We have some extra chairs here.
Is it better to bring my own?
Yes, it is more comfortable if you bring your own.
Can I bring a blanket too?
Yes, a blanket is a good idea for the evening.
What time movie start?
The movie starts at 8 p.m.
The movie starts at 8 p.m.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to watch a movie outside.
That's wonderful. Enjoy the film and the fresh air.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the walking group. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to join the weekend walk.
You want to join the weekend walk.
That's great. We walk every Sunday morning.
I not walk with group before.
You have not walked with a group before?
No problem. We welcome everyone.
What time you start?
We start at 8 a.m. at the city park.
How long is the walk?
The walk is about 1 hour.
Do I need special shoes?
Just wear comfortable walking shoes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the group.
That's wonderful. See you on Sunday.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the book swap. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to trade English books.
You want to trade English books?
That's great. We have many English books here.
I not trade books before.
You have not traded books before?
No problem, it's easy.
How I trade my book?
Just put your book on the table and choose a new one.
Can I take more than one book?
Please take one book for each book you bring.
Do I need to write my name?
No, you don't need to, but you can if you want.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find new books.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your reading.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Mural project. Can I help you?
Yes, I want paint a small section of the mural.
You want to paint a small section.
That's wonderful. Everyone can join.
I not paint mural before.
You have not painted a mural before?
No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring yourself. We have paint and brushes here.
Can I choose any color?
Yes, you can choose any color you like.
How long I can paint?
You can paint for 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to join the project.
That's wonderful. Your art will be part of the city.